Hi, I'm Jack.
Samuel.
And I'm Ben.
And we're here to show you how your very own handheld Bic lighter works.
Now, we're going to show you the chemicals that make up a butane lighter.
This is a gas commonly known as butane. It is a nonpolar covalent bond, and its chemical formula is C4H10.
Next chemical is the plastic that makes up the body of the lighter. It is made of one carbon atom, two hydrogen atoms, and one oxygen atom. The plastic is known as acetal, ACETAL, which is a very strong plastic. It is a polar covalent bond because, as you can see, it is not similar all the way around.
And this is the last of the very important chemicals used to make a lighter. This is flint. It is made of one silicon and two oxygen atoms. And these represent a double bond here. It is a nonpolar covalent bond because it has all the same around. That's flint. Silicon dioxide.
These are our three chemicals. It includes the common name, the chemical formula, the chemical name.
Yes. The first chemical reaction is the spark being created. When the flint hits the steel, it gives off particles of iron. And when the iron hits oxygen, it rusts. And when it rusts, it gives off heat, an indicator of a chemical reaction. And because the particle of iron is so small, it ignites. And the balance equation of this would be 2Fe2, 3O2, and 2Fe2O3.
4, 6, 4, and 6. The second chemical reaction that occurs would be the combustion of butane, the gas inside of the lighter. This happens because butane, which is a very flammable substance, reacts with the spark that is made and creates a flame. Because when it hits the oxygen gas, and that's the butane, and it creates carbon dioxide and water.
And fire.
And that is the standard combustion formula, or equation.
And you can see that it is a chemical reaction because it gives off heat.
And heat is an indicator of a chemical reaction. I am now going to balance this equation. It's going to look a little something like this. Yes. Combustion of butane, the second and final chemical reaction. Engineers were heavily involved in the design of this lighter. First, they designed such a great, small, compact, easy to use model. It is made up of special materials like this plastic and metal, so that the flame does not actually melt the body of it. It is also engineered so that the start lighter is just one smooth motion of spinning the dial and pressing the button to cause the butane. Engineers are heavily important for both the design and the motion of lighting a butane lighter.
Now, you may be asking, why are lighters so important? Well, you use them in everyday life, such as lighting a candle. Now you get good sense.
It's lit, it's just hard to... Next one is lighting a stove.
Another thing a butane lighter can be used for is starting simple fires.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about lighters. Bye!
And I'm sure you learned some incredibly
We love you!